This fish forgot how to swim. So it walks. But why does it walk when it could swim? The coffin fish has pectoral fins modified into limbs. Not fins anymore, actual limbs that it uses to walk across the seafloor. Slowly, deliberately. When it finds the right spot, it stops, swallows water, inflates to twice its size, sits completely motionless. On its forehead, a lure, a small fleshy growth it waves to attract prey. It doesn't chase, doesn't hunt. It walks to a location, becomes a balloon, and waits. Found at 200 meters, at 2,000 meters, every ocean. Always alone, always still. Because sitting there, inflated, motionless, fins at its sides, eyes forward, it looks exactly like a face, sitting on the seafloor, looking up, waiting.